Once upon a time there was an engineer, drove a locomotive both far and near, accompanied by a monkey that was set on a stool, watching everything the engineer would do. One day the engineer wanted a bite to eat. He left the monkey sitting on the driver's seat. The monkey pulled the throttle, locomotive jumped the gun. It did 90 miles an hour down the main line run. Big locomotive right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99 left the engineer with a worried mind. Worried mind. The engineer called up the dispatcher on the phone, tell him all about his locomotive was gone. You get on the wire, switch operator to right, 'cause the monkey's got the main line sewed up tight. Switch operator got the message in time that there's a northbound living on the same main line. Open up the switch and gonna let him through the hole, 'cause the monkey's got the locomotive under control. Big locomotive right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99 left the engineer with a worried mind. Big locomotive right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99 left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind. Okay, that's a little something for the kids.